Sometimes I just like to stay here and stare at it. I mean, come on. Look at it. Look at it. Tell me what else out there in the world is something similar to this. It's nothing. It's a pure, old school looking American bloody muscle car, and I very, very much love it. Look at it! Hi guys, welcome to another video. As I promised you, I'm gonna reveal today what did we got. Most of you guys gonna be disappointed, I know. Some of you guys that following me on Instagram, you guys already know what I got. But some of you guys that don't follow me, you have no idea, and all of you guessed it wrong. Well, the lease on the Durango was up and we had to return it, and we very much gonna miss that car because that was such a beautiful SUV, guys. RT fully loaded. We tried to lease another Durango, but just the payments were too much. That car is expensive to lease. So after shop around and a lot of fight with my wife, we narrowed it down on the vehicle, and she was not happy about it until we got home. And she took it for a drive, she took the kids in school, she took it in a grocery shop, she come back smiling face, and now she loves the vehicle. And really, what's not to love about? Alright guys, without further ado, I'm gonna jump on over and show you the car. And this is gonna be just a reveal, but I'm gonna do a full review and why I got this truck. That is a truck, you already guessed it. The 2019 Ram Bighorn blacked out package. You damn right I got a Hemi, otherwise I won't be in my driveway. We got a 20-inch wheels there, side step. Dual exhaust, blacked out tips, looks beautiful, nice and clean. Look at that. It's not slamming anymore. Soft landing, we got a nice sprayed in bed liner, which I really like. And we got over here cargo tied ups. I just need to get a tonneau cover, and I will get that. We got a sliding window and the frost wheel window. It's got a little bit more option than my 2018 this truck. And got a little mirror over here, very handy. I'll show you a shot from the front. It's all blacked out, nice thinned out headlights. I don't have a LED around it, but they still look beautiful in my opinion. It's nothing to complain about. Side steps looks nice too. Huge blacked out badge on the back, Bighorn badging on the side. I'll show you on the inside, guys. This truck got a, look at it, everything feels nice and premium inside. And also it came with a Mopar rubber mats, which I really like. Since I'm here, let me show you the sticker price, which is $52,350, and I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna put it over here like so, and we're gonna close it down. Also, these trucks got a flat floor, it doesn't have a hump. Got a cup holders on the back here, USB ports, 115 outlet for your laptop and whatnot, VETs. That's not standard, that's ours. Speakers on the back, noise cancellation, little speakers. You can see for a difference for my truck, other truck, it's got a hump over here in the floor. Just not so, it's not bad. but it is. Okay, let me jump into here and show you guys. Alright guys, you got automatic headlights over here, of course, adjustable pedals, electric parking brake, two-wheel drive, four-wheel low, four high, and auto. Got a toggle switches over here. Even CD player, they put a CD player. You got this, it's adjustable. You got a storage, big storage here, phone holder. You can move this forward, and you got a storage here, coins, or you can move it backwards, and you got a big old space there. And you also got this over here, and you got that. I mean, they thought it out, guys. Big corn beige. Everything looks nice and clean and premium inside. Let me get it started. Beautiful radio. You got a Apple Play. You can connect your phone on it, and everything gonna pop up there. Let me show you. So if I just connect my phone to it, and this pops up. This pops up, and you go home. You got your phone up there. It's a beautiful truck, guys. Nice. This is not like a fully loaded version of this. I mean, for a Bighorn, it's kind of loaded version, but the reason we got Bighorn and not Laramie is like the prices, guys. I was looking at the Laramie, but the Laramie was gonna be like $200 more a month, so I was not feeling to pay that much money. After all, this is a lease vehicle. But tell you the truth, I was so impressed. I am considering purchasing one for myself and keeping this truck for a long term, because oh my god, guys, I'm telling you, when I bought my 2018 and drive it around, and this truck then was coming out, and they were talking about that it's smoother, then it's quieter, the shift schedule and transmissions are better. I'm driving my truck and I'm thinking, how the hell can you improve that? That truck was amazing to me, and it's still I'm thinking it's amazing. The competition, I'm gonna make a different video about this and give you the comparison, guys, between the Ford and Chevy and a Ram. I'm not trying to be biased here. I'm encouraging you to go and try those trucks for yourself and decide for yourself. But I'm telling you, Ram, there is a reason they won Truck of the Year. They blown the competition out of the water, clean out. I thought that my truck, the outgoing version, was way superior when I was buying them over Chevy and Ford. This truck, it's on a whole new different level, guys. Whole new different level. The reason I leased the truck versus the SUV, my wife, she was leaning toward a Grand Cherokee, but the lease was even worse than a Grand Cherokee. I was trying to tell her, sweetie, look, we're gonna pay more money for a smaller car. It's not as safe as this one, doesn't have as much as room. You know, that one is only two-row seats, you know, doesn't have as much room. You're gonna pay more. Truck, it's handy, got a bed, and it's safe, and it drives good in snow, and it's roomy on the back. She's like, she can't get over the idea that she was gonna drive a pickup truck. I'm like, a lot of girls drive the pickup truck nowadays, you know, and then I try to convince her, and finally we got the truck. We got it for a decent price. Not great, but decent price. And she's happy. She drove it around. She already put 100 miles on it, and she's very happy with it. But I'm gonna cut this video right here and right now, guys. But I'm gonna make a full review on this truck, and I'm gonna let you know what I think this one versus the Ram, my old Ram versus the Chevy and Ford, the new ones, and this truck versus the Ford and Chevy, the new ones. And I'm telling you, guys, there is a reason why this truck won the Truck of the Year for 2019. This truck is something else. I'm telling you, the way it drives, the way it's inside, everything set up, guys. I mean, it is a beautiful, beautiful truck, guys. All right, I will catch you on the next one. Stay tuned. Have a good one. Bye.